Hello, everyone. Deb Floros for JJB Beads. The Mazu Chinese Goddess of the Sea bead mix from the JJB Beads Goddess collection is so beautiful. And JJB Beads offers so many beautiful chain options. I decided to make a really simple wire-wrapped bead necklace, and I'm creating 3 cascades of beads, and they're just going to hang down from the center and off-center points of the chain. So I did add a lobster claw clasp to one end of my chain before I started, and then I picked my center point. And I'm taking some 24 gauge wire and I'm wrapping a bead and attaching it directly to that center link of my chain. And then from there, it's picking the beads that you want to cascade. So I'm choosing a mix of these beautiful glass beads. The blues are so incredibly beautiful, and with that bright gold, they just pop. So I'm just using very simple wire wrapping techniques. And then for my bottom bead, and these are absolutely beautiful teardrop beads, I'm just using a head pin, and the head pin will just go into the loop of the last wire wrap bead. I did trios, and my center cascade is a little bit different from the 2 I'm going to put on either side. And I decided that I wanted those little cascades to go out about 3 links from my center point. You can decide how you want to do this, but I like 3, and I think it adds just enough separation and allows the beads to dangle and have great movement. So I'm wire wrapping a bead, adding it directly to the chain on one side, and then adding my next bead from there. And I love how the different shapes will actually add some real creative interest to this piece as well. So wire wrapping directly onto that chain, and then I'm going to create the same one from the other side on the other side of my focal point, wire wrap that on, add my little teardrop, and then because that teardrop is my favorite, I'm going to add that teardrop to the end of the other side of my chain. And it's going to act as a decorative element, but also allow this to be very helpful when creating the necklace in a bit of a sizable fashion. So you can take your lobster claw and attach it to any one of those links of your chain. This is a really fun necklace, so beautiful. The beads are so incredible, and so is that chain. You can find everything to make this wonderful necklace at jessijamesbeads.com. Thank you so much for watching.